All right, how's everybody doing? This here is a shout out for Big W and really anybody that's interested in going to any kind of car shows. Now, Dad brought this home from these guys, so if you're interested, you can go to their website and probably check this out. I didn't do any of those, but I'd made a comment, or excuse me, Big W made a comment on my show, and I told him that there were some shows in Oregon. So right there, the 11th. I don't know exactly where in Oregon he lives, but for the month of March, it's car shows.
It's a bus. And a wet window.
I'm not typically a fan of boats, nor do I know anything about them. But Miss Whitecap here was just too cool not to share. Look at her. Kind of a funky looking boat, that's for sure. But I like it. You know, as far as boats go.